Now, at the arbitration hearing, the rules of evidence generally do not apply. There's a statute that says that the rules of evidence and judicial procedure need not be observed. So it's to make it easy for people to present their case at an arbitration hearing, which is usually held in the conference room in front of a retired judge or an experienced personal injury attorney. And they want to make it easy for the claimants against their own insurance company to present their claim and their evidence. So generally, it's like a small claims hearing. Rules of evidence don't apply, and the arbitrator can decide how much weight they're going to give to any documents or testimony that they receive, and generally doesn't even need to be under penalty of perjury unless one party insists upon it. So it's generally considered an informal hearing. And again, the issues to be determined usually are limited to whether or not the driver at fault is legally liable for the injury, and if so, what amount of damages you could have obtained against that party. Once you get the arbitration award, which unfortunately there's no limit on how long the arbitrator has to determine that, unless the policy says otherwise or puts a limit on it. Generally, the arbitrator usually gets the award out within 30 days. If you can't work out an agreement to have the insurance company pay that amount, or that amount reduced by whatever agreeable offsets there are, such as how much you received from the other party at fault, or how much you receive from workers' compensation insurance, then you would file with the Superior Court to have the judgment confirmed as an award. Generally, the procedures on doing that are pretty straightforward, but very complex, and you probably need an attorney to do that for you. It's not something I would recommend a person do on their own. Generally, I would not recommend an arbitration proceeding to be done by a party without an attorney, and you're probably going to get more from an attorney on an uninsured motorist claim when using an attorney than trying to resolve it on your own. That's the facts of life, people. Injury claims by folks with uninsured or underinsured motorist claims, they involve many unique and sometimes complex issues. It's always a good idea to consult an attorney who's experienced in handling these claims. The Kohn Law Office offers free initial consultations on injury or wrongful death claims, and all cases are handled on a contingency fee basis, which means that there's no fee unless there's a recovery in your favor. If you have questions, we'd love to help, so please call us at 760-721-8182. That's 760-721-8182. And thank you for watching the video.